Most homeowners think modern just means flat doors and clean lines, but true modern kitchen design is way more intentional than that. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 must-have features that turn a basic kitchen into a real modern space. If you're planning a remodel and want your kitchen to look high-end, timeless, and functional, this breakdown will save you from costly mistakes. So these are the 5 must-haves when you start doing a modern kitchen. Now the kitchen behind me is very modern. One of the things I really recommend is when you start thinking of a modern kitchen, number 1 is start considering no handles. Now in a modern kitchen, European style, they don't really have handles. So what you see here is what we call the gullet channels. Basically, you don't have to have handles. You could kind of reach in, grab, open the door. Another key feature too is that you could do the push to open, where you just push the drawer and it just pops right open. So that's one of the key features that you got to have in your modern kitchen. The second key feature is you want to pay attention to those nice straight lines. If you see this kitchen behind me, you got nice straight lines anywhere. We don't have crown molding. We have all nice lines on the top. We have nice lines on the bottom, nice lines on the countertop. So that's very important to have a nice clean lines on your modern kitchen. Number 3 is incorporating lighting. As you guys can see this cabinet here, lighting is very important when you start thinking modern kitchens. Why? It just makes everything look a lot nicer. It's something new. I keep saying lighting is a big thing and it's just gonna keep getting better. Here in this kitchen, we ran lighting inside the cabinets and underneath cabinet lighting. We also have lighting on the top, but for some reason it's not working today. But the cabinet lighting, under counter lighting is very important because it just kind of gives you more that home feel when you walk into your kitchen. It brightens it up. So, and if you have glass cabinets, highly recommend putting lighting inside of it. Before you start designing, make sure you download my free guide, Modern Kitchen Blueprint, Layouts, Materials, and a Budget Cheat Sheet. It walks you step by step through the exact decisions you need to make, from door styles to finish to lighting, so you don't waste money and pick trends that won't last. The link is in the description. Number 4 is you want to put nice upgrades inside your kitchen. Now this here, we decided to add a servo drive on it, which I really like, which kind of helps us without having the handle. So it's something new, something different. When we start thinking modern, we want to put the newest technologies that are in there. This is something that's real fun. So if you have a high cabinet and you can't reach it and you just kind of want to shut it down, real easy to close it and open it up. So number 5 is your storage, functional storage. In your kitchen, you want to make sure storage is very important organization. I'll give you guys nice close-up looks of the storage we have here. All these drawers have nice inserts on the inside where everything is nice and organized for your knives, for your drawers. A very modern kind of style look. Here at the bottom, we have something where we could do the spices. On the other side, we have where you could do your plates, where it's something new where you can almost pull out your plates. Kind of easy to go with. So that's another thing you want to think about. That would be number 5, more functional storage where it's easy. If this helped you understand what truly makes a kitchen modern, the next video you need to watch is Top Kitchen Design Trends for 2026. I'll link it right here and I'll see you in the next one.